Hello all and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will continue with the practical use of one of the data collection sheets, namely the tally sheet. My name is Mahmoud D. Kabri. I am a logistician. Before continuing, let us make a reminder of the role of LOGISKAB application. We continue with the tally sheet. This sheet brings together information related to the identification of the machines and several sections, namely fuel, tally, consumption, yield, alert, and rent. All the actors involved have to approve the information by signing off. These actors are drivers, conductors, operators, site clerks, fuel clerks, logistics clerks, logisticians, logistics managers, site foremen, works foremen, and directors of works. The recommendation that they are signed testifies to the rigor which we must ensure proper monitoring in the use of the machines. Let us follow this practical exercise.
We have here the machines check sheet. It's also called the tally sheet. We have the site here, the name of the machine, the pack code. The code here stands for pack code. We have the brand, the type or model. We have the serial number, the engine series, the number plate, arriving date. We have the arriving meter. We have the driver's name. And here we have the capacity of the machine or of the truck. So this part allows to identify the machine. And here we have the date, the start meter or beginning meter, the stop meter or the closing meter. Here we have the quantity of fuel. Here we have the time. This column concerns the time of fuel service. So it can be at 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. You put the time here. Here we have the job made. Here we have the number of trips. If it concerns the trucks, but for the dozers, graders, loaders, it will be difficult to precise them. Here we have the total of trips. Here we have the number of days of hour validated. So if the meter is in hour, it will be the number of hours. If the meter is in kilometer, it will be the numbers of days. Here we have the total here, and here the driver have to sign, the fuel clerk have to sign, the site clerk have to sign also. And here we have all the actors involved who have to sign: the driver, the fuel clerk, site clerk, logistics clerk. We have here the head constructor or the site foreman. We have the logistician, logistics manager, the work supervisor or works foreman, and here we have the director of works or works manager. Let us go to the practice. So we have an example here. We have our example. The truck. This is a truck. It is in a fridge. Here we have the barcode. We have the brand. We have the model, serial number, engine series, number plate, arriving date, arriving meter, the name of the driver, and here we have the capacity. As it is a truck, the capacity is 18 cubic meter. We have the different date here. The 7th of the month of January, he starts with this meter and he stops with this meter. It means that the truck doesn't work because it is the same. The arriving meter, it is the same meter here. So this truck doesn't work the 7th of the month of January. We have the 8th. He starts with this meter and it stops with this meter. He doesn't take fuel. The truck doesn't take fuel. And what the truck did, they load dust to spread on the road. So it's a truck of a road construction company. The number of tribes 10, and here it is 10. The following days 10 also, so you have 10 plus 10, it is 20. The following day 15 tribes, we have 20 plus 15, we have 35, and so else. Here we have the number of days validated because here we have a truck, so the rental is per day, and we have the total below here. This is for the fuel. This is the quantity of fuel. So the total is 600. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So 100, if we multiply 100 per 6, we have 600. And here, this column concerns the fuel service time. So this one we have 20 past 5 o'clock. We have 2 past 4 o'clock. 14 past 6 o'clock. 28 past 5 o'clock, and so else. Here we have the total of the tribes. So here this total is the same here. Here also we have this one, it is the same here. So 12 days validated. And the note here below here, it means that the time column concerns the fuel service time. So we have the different actors who have to sign here. So all the actors involved have to sign for a good management of the use of the machines.
I will stop here for today. Thank you and see you soon for the next video.